I just got this Shine Armor car interior cleaner for free in exchange for my honest review, and it's quickly become a go-to for keeping our cars looking and smelling so fresh. So this all-in-one cleaner is super easy to use. You just spray it onto a microfiber cloth. You gently wipe the surface and then just buff it out with a second clean cloth, or you can just turn your cloth over and wipe it off. That's how we do it. That's it. It's that easy, and your interior will look amazing in just minutes. So it doesn't just clean though, it restores our interior to like a new matte finish, and the best part, there's no greasy residue. It's safe for pretty much every surface in your car, so we use it on leather, vinyl, plastic, even the touch screens, and even on some of the fabric we have spot cleaned, and it has worked. So whether it's dirt, grime, or odors, this spray can pretty much handle it all. It even offers advanced UV protection, which helps prevent sun damage. So we use it on our dashboard or our steering wheel, and so it helps with the UV light coming in. It really seems to just extend the life of our car's interiors. And the bonus is that it leaves your car smelling fresh because it smells so good. So we would definitely recommend it if you're looking for an interior cleaner for your car or your boat, motorhome, anything like that. We've had great success with it, so we know it'll work for you too.